Hi everybody, Nina here, and I hope you're going to join me tonight, 6:30 p.m. Pacific Coast time. Join last minute. It is a time for you, time to cultivate new seeds. This is a new moon solar eclipse. It's a powerful time in the universe right now. You can feel it. There's a rumbling. Mother Earth, the collective, world leaders. I mean, things are going like this, right? The key here is you don't want to be going like this. You want to cultivate your own energy. The other thing that I want you to get out of this time, whether you come to the new moon solar eclipse tonight or whether you're even into astrology, it's not as important as you're harnessing this time for yourself. It's about truth. The truth will set you free, not only in your own life, but that of the collective, okay? So we're all in this kind of notion. I hear it from both sides. I'm right, you're wrong. You know, when we go in our belief systems that, oh my gosh, if this person is elected, for those of you who don't live in the United States, we're in the verge of going into an election. And that's why I want you to cultivate this energy, okay? I don't care who you're gonna vote for, but what I do care about is the truth. I want you, instead of saying, it doesn't matter if you hope that this person wins or not, that's fine. Vote for whoever you want to, okay? Whomever you want to vote for is fine with me. The key there, though, is whomever you're voting for, allow the intention behind it to be the truth. So now let's apply that back into your own life. Eclipses have a tendency to take what has been hidden and bring it to light. So what truths do you need to face in your own life? This is what this time is about as you're planting new seeds. Now we're getting together about a day and a half before the eclipse. And the reason why we're doing that is the day of the eclipse, I want you to go into this day with a strong intention. I'm going to be traveling. So for those of you who can take it easy that day and relax and recharge, definitely do that. I'll be out in the world. Some of you will be out in the world and you're not going to be able to do that. But what you can do is harness your energy to be of the things you want to create. So if you're feeling and leading with worry, anxiety, stress, overwhelm, eclipse energy is strong, and this one in particular in this time. So you're going to imprint in your energy field the things you don't want. So this is a time for us to get together, harness this energy, cultivate the things that we want to. And so tonight, I'm going to shake it up a little bit. We're going to start with our grounding first, bringing you into the space. I'm going to talk a little bit about the themes. Afterwards, I'll make sure that all of you get your signs and what that means for you. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set our energetic intentions, so that I want you working with this all week up until about Friday or Saturday when the energy shifts and you go from inward to outward, okay? So inward right now this week, cultivating, harnessing. You plant a seed, it's not gonna bloom in 2 seconds, but we've got to shift how we create, not just the mechanics of what we're creating. Powerful time. So let's plant some new seeds tonight, 6:30 p.m. Pacific Coast time. Ah, boy. And you know what they say, take a bite out of life before life takes a bite out of you. That's what this eclipse is all about. Let's harness the energy together.